In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can build a mobile app in few simple clicks. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. To build our mobile app, we are going to be using this AI known as Bolt.new AI, and you can access it via design.net. Okay, like you can see up here. So this is the link you have to use to access it, and it's going to bring you to this page over here, guys, like you can see. So once you're here, you're just going to choose on the option that says visit website. So you're obviously going to have to sign up. So after signing up, it will bring you to this page over here, like you can see. So we need a prompt, and I already have one detailed one that we are going to be using for this video. So I'm going to share this with you guys in the description down below if you'd like to try it out. So I'm just going to copy everything like you can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it in Bolt.new AI over here. Okay, just like this. And then we are going to go ahead and click on this button over here to see what results it's going to come up with. Like you can see right now, it's in the process, and we are just going to give it time and see what it's going to build for us. Like you can see, once it's done, it's going to bring you two different options over here, like you can see. So if you want to preview how your app looks like on a mobile device, you can install the Expo Go and then you check it out, or you can just scan this QR code with your phone, and then that way you're going to have a quick preview. So let's go ahead and close this. Then we are going to see what this AI has built for us. So this is the final result, and this is what it looks like, but we can make edits to everything over here. So what we are going to do is to come over here where it says how can Bolt help you today. So whatever you want to input or to build into this app, you just have to give it a command from this option over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and say I want the title of the app to be, then I'm going to import the name I want. Then we are going to click on this. So we might have limits since we are using the free plan, but hey, let's try to make the edits we can possibly make while we still can. Like you can see, it has automatically changed it to Smart Advisor. And with any edits you want to make when it comes to your app, all you have to do is to come down here, and then you're just going to input, the details that you want the AI to add to your app. Okay, so I have more details that I've generated that we can use to edit our app even more. Like for example, I want the AI to change my brand colors to red, white, and black. I also want to add multiple page navigation and structure tools. For example, the home page, course recommendations page, skill assessment and quiz page, learning pathway page, career and job market insight page, all these different things, course comparison page, career and job market. I think I mentioned that, contact and support page. All these details I put together, and like I said, guys, I'm going to share this with you in the description down below so you can try it out on your own. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the first one. So I'm just going to copy everything, okay, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it into our AI. So let's start with the first option, copy, and then we go back to Bolt.new. Then we are going to paste it over here, just like this. After that, we just have to click on this button over here, and let's see the magic it's going to do this time. So like you can see over here, it has changed everything. It added more, options over here. Like you can see, we have the home button, we have courses, we have assessment, career, and then settings. So we can even go further to edit this by adding some of the courses we want this AI to integrate under the option of courses. So let me say add these courses to the course option. Okay, so I have a few courses that I put together over here, like you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy everything just like this. Okay, then copy it, then head over to Bolt.new, and then we are going to paste them over here just like this. Okay, so to save time, I'm also going to add some few assessment questions all together so we can have everything together, then also the career path. Okay, these details over here. Once you generate, you're going to receive the results. So once we click on the courses, before it was empty, but now you can see that there is different courses that we added: technology and software development, business and finance. Okay, so when you click on assessment, you're going to see that there is different questions about these courses. Okay, like you can see, technology and software development. Do you have any prior experience with coding? It asks here which area interests you the most: web development, AI, cybersecurity, mobile apps. So to generate these questions, if you're struggling or you don't understand the details that I've added in the description down below, you can use the help of ChatGPT to come up with these things. Because for my research as well, I've been using ChatGPT to get better results. Okay. So when you go to career, you will see that there is still a different career opportunities. Okay, like technology and software development, you will see that a software engineer gets this much amount. Once you get the job, all the details are here, like you can see. Okay, so let's go further and also add more details. So before we go ahead to paste this into our AI and get results, I want us to first go through this. So you can also attach different images, okay? So now, for example, this prompt says, update my app with the key features below. I've also attached my logo, add it at the top right corner, and also add these features. So I'm going to copy everything over here, just like this. So I'm gonna head to add different things, like you can see interactive forms and data collection, enhancing business, emails and alerts, everything over here. Like you can see certifications, career progression, tracking, everything. So I'm just copying this all together and we are going to paste it in our AI. So we'll test everything later on, okay? So we are going to paste everything over here, like you can see. And then after that, we are going to click on this option down here that says upload files. So I'm going to go ahead and find my logo. I'm going to upload it. And then I'm just going to click on this button once it's done uploading. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Then we see the results it's going to generate for us. So for this option, it went ahead to add some few buttons, like you can see over here, for example, community, profile and everything. But once it came to the image, it did not upload our logo. So it says over here, you have hit the rate limit. Please upgrade to keep chatting, or you can continue coding for free in the editor. So when it comes to images, because I tried this yesterday as well, and the same thing happened. But once you're just chatting, you can use the free version. Okay. Now that we have everything ready, we can preview to see what it's going to look like on different devices. So like you can see, that's going to be how it looks like on an iPhone 16. Pixel 9. Like you can see, there is different options. All you have to do is to go through them and you're going to see what your app is going to look like. Okay, so I think, guys, we've done a great job, and this is a perfect time for us to try out the different tools that we added and we see how well they've come out. like you can see. I think this looks great, guys. We did a very good job, and I'm super proud of you guys for coming this far. By the way, if you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. So guys, to export our app, we have different options. So you can click over here, like you can see. You can either download or open it in Stack Blitz. Okay, then there is also an option of deploying it straight to the web or to the app store, like you can see. And guys, with all that being said, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next one.